Welcome back, guys. You might know that in my last video I was reviewing, well, unboxing really, and doing a sound test of the, I still don't know how to say this, FIFINE, I've been saying FIFINE, the M9, those lavalier mics. So if you remember back in the last video, I was like, this sounds terrible. I don't know why this sounds so bad. I found out why. So it turns out that if you're plugging in your lavalier mic transmitter into your phone, well, the thing is that it's a 3.5 to Type-C, right? The one that comes with it. The problem is you can't use that. If you do, it sounds like it does in that video I just posted, the previous one. So my solution for you is this. I found this actually when I was in the comment section of a video that talked about this problem. And that is that this right here, this Type-C to Type-C is your solution. If you go get you a Type-C to Type-C, and realize it's pretty short. You don't want to get the longest one out there, you know. That will fix your problem. It's if you compare the way that I sound in this video to the previous video, you'll see it's a night and day difference. So if you go get you one of these instead of using the 3.5 to Type-C that comes with the device, you'll find that your life's going to be a lot better with this mic. I thought to myself, oh my God, this was a waste of money. I bought a $13 lavalier mic. It was so much better. I cannot express to you how disappointed I was. I was like, oh my God, this is how a lavalier mic should sound. It didn't sound like it was from 1920. So, you know, you can just imagine what's going through my head. Like, I spent 40 bucks and then I spent $13. 13 bucks is so much better. 6, 7. Well, the thing is that you got to go buy this separately. It's extra like 5 bucks or so, but it's well worth it. I highly recommend it. If you already have a Type-C to Type-C laying around, just use that if it's, you know, not 10 feet long. But me, myself, I wanted to go ahead and spend the 5 bucks to get the convenience. So I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description below, and you guys can click on that. It'll lead you on over to Amazon. I get a little bit of the money, but it's like 2%. So don't think I'm doing this for the money. Yeah, hope this solves your problem. And yeah, if any of you guys were watching that previous video, like, oh my God, I cannot believe Picasso here thinks it's how it sounds. You have to do this. Well, I know that now. And I actually recorded the whole video over, it was using this webcam that I got. It was unboxing, and I used that loft. I was like, there's no way it's going to sound that bad for every video. And sure enough, it came out sounding just as bad. So, yeah, that video is probably going in the trash. I might post it just to post it. Who knows? Maybe somebody will watch it, because at the end of the day, I am actually reviewing a video, reviewing a box, you know, a webcam. So, you know, I'm really in between not posting it and posting it, but I think it will, just because I don't want to go to waste. Yeah. But this should be a lot of a good comparison for the previous video with then, and then, you know, with the other video that I haven't posted yet, eventually going to be posted. So if you guys like this video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, I got some more product reviews coming out in the future. If you guys also, you know, have had this problem, comment down below. Tell me about your experience. Because for me, if I didn't see that comment, I would have just thought, like, damn, this is a 1 out of 5. I'm not going to be using this ever. But I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did figure it out, because, you know, now I got a decent mic. I got a decent lav. I've also got this mic right here, the one I use in some of my other videos on my movie channel. Yeah, Picasso Likes Movies. Go follow and go subscribe and like the videos and all. But, yeah, this is a good alternative, though, to that mic. I think it's going to be good. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.